Hi, it's Bastian. In this tutorial, we will take a look at a great beginner's trick that can be easily combined with other tricks. The half moon is a great skill because you can achieve a super effect with just a few arm movements and a simple swing. We will now look at the half moon in 4 simple movements and how you can learn it the best way. You can do this trick on the right as well as on the left side. In this video, we focus on the left side as seen from you. The first step is to turn your right stick towards you, so that the stringless end is facing away from you. As a second movement, you will bring the stick outward to the left side over your left stick. Your left stick remains motionless. In the third movement, bring the stick down, then stop the stick approximately below your axis. Now, in a fourth and final movement, swing the Diabolo to the left in a circle, that means counterclockwise as seen from you. Make sure that the string is tense while swinging. Move your right stick back to its starting position either before or during the swing. With a little practice, you should be able to combine all 4 movements into one big flowing motion, as this is what gives the trick its effect and makes it look smooth. You can now do the same trick on the right side. To do this, you always switch right and left with each other in all 4 movements and finally swing your Diabolo clockwise. Then try to combine the half moon with other tricks. This will make you even more confident with the trick, and at the same time you will train your concentration and dexterity even more. Here you see the sun to the right, the half moon, and finally a simple suicide. Tutorials for all these tricks can be found in the upper right corner. Have fun practicing. See you next time.